How to fix Microsoft Edge browser from automatically opening on Windows 10 or 11. The first method is to disable the startup boost in Edge. For that, open the Microsoft Edge application. Tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on the option Settings. Access the settings. At left you can see various options. Click on the option System and Performance. Click on the option System. Over here you can find the option for Startup Boost. Toggle this button off. After that your problem will be fixed. There's also another method to disable it within the Windows settings. For that, click on the Start icon. Hover over the gear icon. Click on the option Settings. Click on the option Apps that you can see on the screen. Click on the option Startup that you can see at left. Find the option for Microsoft Edge. Toggle the button off. Now the Microsoft Edge will not automatically open when you start your device. Likewise, there's also another method. You can disable it in the Task Manager. For that, open the Task Manager. Click on the search bar. Now search for Task Manager over here. You can see the results. Click on the option Open. After that, Task Manager will be opened. Click on the option Start Up. Find the option for Microsoft Edge. Click on it. Click on the option Disable that you can see on the screen. Now the startup feature for Microsoft Edge will be disabled. Now the Microsoft Edge will not automatically open. Like this, you can fix Microsoft Edge browser from automatically opening on Windows 10 or 11. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.